Hello friend, welcome to 2021. Oh shit, I don't know how this is gonna go. I really don't. I'm going for something like this, but not that color. I am trying to go for a more brown tone, but still that style where it's just the sides. Yeah, I guess we're just making all types of changes. Last week I stretched my ears, started my ear stretching journey, which actually I think today I was supposed to size up, but an extra day won't hurt, so I will do that tomorrow. And now I'm bleaching my hair. Anyways, I have not washed my hair in a while. It's been maybe like a little over a week, so it's just looking kind of gross, but apparently that is the best time to wash your hair. Not wash your hair, dye your hair or bleach it. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna do everything here just because I have this big mirror to work with. Lewis and I ran to the store today and picked up everything we needed. I pretty much got everything from Sam's Beauty. This is the developer that I got, by the way. I'm using 20 volume just because I don't want my hair to lift too much. I'm not trying to get it anywhere near platinum blonde, so I know 20 is gonna be okay. And then this is the lightening powder that I'm going to be using, and then I also got, sorry I had to go get everything, as well as this mixing bowl, this young mixing bowl, and it came with a brush, which was super cool. And then the whole point of this, the hair dye that I'm going to be dyeing my little strips. So this is a L'Oreal Superior Preference. This is light brown, and then I also got gloves because gotta protect our hands. My hair is so nasty. I don't know if you can tell that it's greasy. It's said to not bleach or dye your hair when it's like clean. So I waited as long as I could. I think it's been about a week, a little over a week since I washed my hair, which is normally what I'll go for. But for some reason my hair has been really greasy or like really oily. And I don't understand why, but because it's winter, so, but yeah. Okay, so I sectioned off the top half of my hair. This is probably about how far down I'm gonna go, more or less, but I'm now just gonna part like what little sections I want, which I think it's just gonna be this, like this section here. I think that's not too far back. Like I don't wanna go too far back into my head, so I'm thinking maybe stopping about here. We'll be doing this section. Okay, so I figured out the strips. Just gonna part off the rest of my hair back. I really do not want any of this hair mixing in, so I'm gonna do it as tightly as I can. Okay, so my hair is sectioned. These are the little strips. My background's a little dark, so just so you can see. So got the powder. This is the good stuff, or the bad stuff I should say. Technically it's horrible. I'm in an old t-shirt. This is Lewis's, and let's just get to it. I think I'm gonna do 2 scoops of the bleach, and then every video that I've been seeing, people are doing different ratios. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Please don't yell at me. I know that's stupid. Okay, I got 2 ounces of the bleach powder in there. Now to just add the developer. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know if that's enough, but I should probably change my pants. Probably a good idea. Okay. Whoo, here we go. Okay, it's already been in for about a minute. I'm gonna let it sit for another 9 minutes. And I'm gonna take these gloves. I'm about to say these glasses. I'm gonna take these gloves off and go woosah a little bit because I'm already a little scared. It's been almost, there you go. been 10 minutes. I'm gonna take, but I just realized that I didn't even go over the roots at the top. That's lovely. I'm not going to get super close to my roots because, to be honest, you probably won't be able to tell. Okay, so I am back and I have the test strip. I blow dried it just so it'd be easier to tell. Now, just having my hair like this, you can kind of sort of see a difference, but I will bring it closer. I think this was about 10 minutes or so with the bleach, and it's pretty light. I mean, it's not blonde, but again, I'm not going for that blonde. I'm going for that brown, but I still want it to lift a little bit more. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in a little longer, maybe 15 minutes. I'm debating on what I do with this. Like, do I redo this strip? Do I like put it up? You know what, whatever. I'm just gonna bleach it again and hope that that piece doesn't fall out.
Might lose my jacket and hit a solo one time.
Brad Mondo, I'm sorry. I know he's not watching this. I know he's not. But if it just so happens that Brad Mondo is watching this, can you help me? So, I'm pretty much done with this side. Being that this side has already been like cooking for a little bit, I think I'm going to do a separate timer for this side. I have Lewis with the timer already for this side of my head. Ah! Hi, hello. This is how the bleaching turned out. I completely forgot that since I left my test strand in, it's gonna be slightly lighter than the rest of the strands. I don't understand why this piece right here is not, like, it doesn't look like it lifted as much. But hopefully once I dye it, like dye over everything, it won't look too bad. So yeah, it's a little blotchy, it's a little patchy, but that's okay. I am going to, should I wait? I don't want to wait. Should I just dye it now? I think I'm going to try to dye it now. Okay, let's just do that now. This is the box dye that I'm using. Light brown. I'm not good with instructions, but let's see. Pour entire contents of color gel into color optimizing cream. Just so you can see, this is the color optimizing cream and the color gel, and all I have to do is pour this into this and give it a little shake. Oh my god, that might have just burned my nostrils, my nostril hairs. Okay, so I cut the little tip off. Chicky. My hair is pretty saturated. I'm thinking about doing like one bag for one side of my hair and just like clipping this. Idea. Boom. Other side. Oh wait. This is what we're working with.
What is that?
I did not spray the inside of the bag like Brad Mondo said to, but it's okay. I have about 12 more minutes till I have to rinse this out. I'll be back. So this is how it turned out. I love it. I thought I was gonna hate it, but I don't. I love it. The rootage here was going through it a little bit, which is fine. I'm like, no one's gonna be that close to me anyways besides Lewis, and he's not gonna judge. Even the color, like how the actual color turned out, it looks nothing like the color that's on the box, but that is also fine. I'm content with how it looks. Actually was like hoping to go for that chocolatey kind of brown because as you can see, like it just I don't know, I like it. I feel like it doesn't look much different than how it first looked before I dyed it, at least on camera, but in person it looks very chocolatey. I don't know, I like it. It's something different for me. I wasn't trying to do that much of a change, although I do feel like I could have went further back or like further up, because I just feel like it gets lost in my hair, like as you can see. It gets a little lost, so maybe if I went further up you'd be able to see it, because although I love the subtleness of it, like I love that it's really simple, I want it to be seen. So I think I could have went up a little bit over here. Maybe I'll go back in with some more bleach another time. I hope you enjoyed watching me almost destroy my hair. If you haven't subscribed already, feel free to do so. I mean, you might as well, you're already here. Also, if you would like to become friends outside of YouTube, all my social media accounts are in this little corner here, and they will also be in the description box as well. So with that being said, I want to wish you a happy new year, and I hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy, and of course staying home if you're able to, obviously. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Wow. So now I'm going to pray to whoever, Jesus, the universe, my ancestors. This is... Never smell hair dye. Never do that.